Well, I got as much stuff in the garage as I could. The building's stuffed. Managed to get enough room over here to get my trailer way off the road for the snow plows. It's been too cold for me to do anything because I don't have heat in the shop. Still got a pile there, but I've got most of it inside and piles out of the way. If that snow hits, I'm going to have at least 8 feet between the road and the trailer and stuff for them. I still got TVs there, got TVs out back, I got stuff still there, but stuff here in barrels to take apart. I just got to have a little warmer weather, more light. So I've been working all day on it. There's the old green Chevy. It's parked for right now. I still have to work on this. I started on it, but I ain't finished on it. Just got to pull the fenders and the front end off the other car and put on, and the radiator and everything, and put on this one. But I'm trying. It's just things are holding me up. See, the back truck's empty except for trash. But I'm trying. It just takes me time. This is what it looks out here now. It's not doing nothing. Looks like right now it's not doing nothing out here right now. Just chilly. Tomorrow it's supposed to be nasty. And then maybe a few days I can get back to taking stuff apart. So I'll catch y'all later.